All right, guys, step number 6, finding clients. Now, let me just tell you, in terms of IRS representation, clients are everywhere. There are at least 25 million of them, perhaps as many as 35 million if you believe, the IRS stats. What that means is clients are literally, potential clients are everywhere. In fact, I bet you know some. They just haven't disclosed that they have a tax problem. So what we have our tax rep members do, marketing approach is very simple. Make sure people know you do this. Does that mean you should update your website? Well, yeah, but a website doesn't really get you clients. It's what people go to check you out after they've found out about you, right? Our marketing approach we have our members doing is cheap. You need some discipline and it needs to be consistent, right? It's like going to the gym. You don't get into amazing shape going for one day for 8 hours. In fact, if you do that, you'll probably end up in the hospital. But if you go 30 minutes day after day after day, you will get into shape. And it's the same thing with our marketing. Now, you don't have to do it every day, but on a weekly basis, we ask you to spend at least an hour. Right? That's it. 2 is preferable. That's it, 2 hours. But it's got to be consistent. If you do that and get the message out, the clients will come. They're literally everywhere. Many of them are looking for help and they don't know where to go. And no one can send you work. No one can refer you work. No one will find you if they don't know you do this. So the biggest thing about marketing, you don't need to spend a ton of money. You don't need to spend a ton of time. But you do need to get the message out. It has to be consistent.